How to increase the bass output of your factory Pioneer system in your Lexus GS 300, GS 400, and GS 430 98 to 2005. First, turn on the ignition. Press 1 and 6, and then keep it while you're holding 1 and 6. Press CD 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then press and hold the AM button for 4 seconds. Well, 4 to 5 seconds, roughly around there. Then audio will show. You'll press tape. You'll see F and 0 adjusted to 7. Press tape again. R will show up, and then you're going to adjust this to 7 as well. You'll see W. Ignore that. It goes back to audio. Press FM. It shows P1 0 adjusted to 3. P2 L, leave that all at 0. When it goes back to audio, turn the power off, turn it back on, and then test your audio.